Okay, what skip numbering is there in a network diagram? See, whenever we are looking at a network diagram, it generally starts with like, let's say 1, then 2, 3, and 4, and so on. But in case if the project is large and we come to know that later on in the project some activities, some event need to be added. Okay, means in short, modifications have a lot of scope in a project diagram when it is relating with a large project. In that case, we cannot just restructure or start from scratch for drawing that, or let's say for planning that network diagram. In that case, what we can do, we will be starting the initial event with 10. Okay, then we will be progressing to 20, or let's say 30, like this. A float will be there like this, then like this. All right, now what is the advantage of having 10, 20, 30 over here? See, when there was 1, 2, 3 over there and we had to add an event number, let's say 5 in between, or let's say we had to add an activity, or we had to accommodate an activity or event in this specific diagram, then it would be necessary to totally restructure, reconfigure the diagram. But what we are doing now is we will be putting activity 11 in between if we event 11 if we need to, or we can put event, let's say, in between 30 to 40 if 4 events are meant to be there, and we can add 31, 32, 33, means without disturbing the original diagram. Means the exoskeleton, or let's say skeleton, the framework of the network diagram is ready, and in case we have to accommodate any event or activity in between in the existing diagram, we can easily have that, right? Means from event 10 to event 20, we have to accommodate some event or activity, then we can number them 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 19, right? Means 9 event can be added in between those two event 10 and 20. Thereon 10, 20, 30, 40, the sub events, or let's say the sub activities, can be added. Means the network diagram need not to be disturbed totally from scratch. We do not need to draw it. We can have all the accommodations inside the existing network diagram only. Thereby, this is the advantage of using numbering like 10, 20, 30 instead of the conventional numbering, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the option should be C. It is the method of numbering in a large project so that event can be added later with numbering between the double digit. See what we say, 10 to 20, if some event need to be added, the first event will be numbered as 11. The second will be numbered as 20. 12, right? Up to 20 we can do that. Up to 19 we can do that till we get to event 20. But practically we won't be needing the number 19. See, because the planner will be taking that much care so that not that many events get added later on. Okay. So option is C. Skip numbering. It is done in a large scaled project network. See, event number 10 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 40 is there, 50, 60. In between, if we need to add an event, we can add over here like 11. Here we can add 30 to 50. We can add something over here. We can add something over here, right? Means having the numbers 10, 20, 30 make space for accommodating those new events and activities.